You are tuned in to the Inter-Town Volleyball Conference, Central Pangasinan. And you are watching match number 63 of the elimination round, played between Bayambang and Basista. Magkapit-bahay lamang itong dalawang kupunan na naglalaro ngayon. And kung manggagaling tayo ng San Carlos City, tatagos tayo sa Basista. And then right after Basista, dire-diretso ay matatagpuan ang bayan ng Bayambang. Oh, that was an exclamation point of an attack. Pinakawalan ng Bayambang. Speaking of pagiging magkapit-bahay, itong dalawa ay magkatabi rin when it comes to standing. Bayambang has a standing of 4 wins, 3 losses. Basista with 3 wins, 5 losses. Tingnan natin kung paano iikot ang standing after all these matches this weekend. And now saying that, service error from Basista, jersey number 9. And now serving is Tabuga. And that jump serve is a high-risk serve. A really risky serve. De Guzman now. Good receive. Legarda hulog. Nahuli. Oh! Kitlong! What a down-the-line hit from Kitlong. It really caught the line. De Guzman serving. That is too long. He sends it long. Oh, deadlock 4-4. Ngayon ang magsaserve naman ay jersey number 16. Almost out. And that ball is in for Basista. Now the team captain of Basista is serving. And gives away a point para sa Bayambang. Jersey number 3 serving. Lefty. Macaranas setting up Kitlong. Liberos there. From the pipe, Tabuga. Wow! Mukhang kalkulado nitong si Tabuga. Yung last hit na iyon, exactly touching the line. Tangent, kumbaga. Number 3 still serving. Good reception. Set to Kitlong. Legarda. Tabuga. Long is covered. Likewise. Right pin. Ambat. Wow. Really was a difficult one to stop that hit from Ambat. And now he is serving the ball. Kaliwete. It's long. It's a service error for Ambat. 6-7. 6-7. Good serve. Magalong ginawa ng paraan. Resulta ay umatake. But that is wide. Yeah, we have to remember that Resulta is an attacking setter in some of the plays of Basista. Nagpapalitan sina jersey number 20 at Resultayas. Setter, attacker, setter, attacker. Here. Oh, what a wrong rally. Middle. Oh, naingat. Buhay pa rin. Long rally. The chance for Bayambang. Perfect reception. Becomes a perfect point for Tabuga. Lalamang ng tatlo rito ang Bayambang. 9-6. And Legarda is on deck to serve. Oh yeah, beautiful serve. Caranto blocked. The middle is activated. Mapapatawag ngayon ng timeout ang coach ng Basista. Biglang dami ang tao rito sa Divinesh Sports Civic Center. Talagang anticipated, well anticipated itong match na ito ngayon. Legarda. Nice receive. Okay. The second attempt. Blocked. Single. Gentleman. Block by Pascual. Bleeding continues for Basista. But they remain unfazed. 1-2 by Resultay na huli chance. Pascual feigning. The long. Caranto. Good side out. Number 17 is now serving. Serve. Saan pupunta? Open. That is outside and no check is called. 11-8. 8-11. Still serving. Good serve. From the pipe. Oh. Bat. Really amazing. You're watching live. Mapapa-ulala ka na lang talaga sa mga atake ng nanggagaling kay Bat. Pero that one naman ay isang service ace galing kay Pascual. 13-8. Receptions there. De Guzman tipped. And that was a good tip mula kay De Guzman. Resultay serving. Received by Legarda. That is a miscue on the side of Bayambang. Balik sa tatlo ang Kalamangan. Server, setter. Over reception. Regalo. Na huli. And that is wide for Tabuga. No check. And the lead is now cut down to 2 points. Resultay still serving. Basista still hasn't found a way to stop that attack of Ambat from the pipe. Still unstoppable. Resultay sa gitna. What a connection between Resultay and De Guzman. Wow, these two teams talagang nagpapakita ng magagandang palitan. And we're halfway through this set. At lalamang ng tatlo ang Bayambang after that strong attack from Ampat. Tabuga. Nice serve. Straight to the setter. Lumipad. And blockers out. Will give Basista its 13 point. The same narrative. Dalawa ang lamang ng Bayambang. Hahabulin. Ampat. Oh, variation. Dog up. This is going to be a chance ball for Basista. Ano ang gagawin? Uy, 1-2. Nahuli. Ligarda. Nagpakawalaan ng bomba. What's good about the rotation of Bayambang right now is ang daming options nitong si Magalong. Kahit saan meron siyang attacker. Oh, didn't like that. Chance for Bayambang, wala sa pipe. Chance for Basista. And Kitlong is giving Bayambang a taste of their own medicine. Still, the story hasn't changed here. Hindi masyadong nakakalayo ang Bayambang. Dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan. The captain serving. Quick. Yeah. The connection. Nice activation para sa ating middle. 17-14. Serving number 3. Lefty. Over reception, Regalo. Nagmadali. 1-2. Chance. Open. She didn't like that. Masyadong malapit sa net. So, sinubukang gawa ng paraan ni Kitlong ang bolang iyon. Pero, the blockers of Bayambang were also quick to react. Now, chance. Ambat. Now, a block. A net block. I think. 15-18. Kitlong. Long. On that serve. Yung mga ganong error talagang ayaw nating ibigay sa Bayambang kasi naghahabol talaga ang Basista rito as we approach the 20-point mark. It was a point for Basista. There was a check. 16-19. Covered. Resultay to the middle. But the connection was not in place. And Bayambang has now reached the 20-point mark. 20-16. And Pascual, the middle, is serving. Quick. Delayed by the block. Combination, miscommunication becomes a chance ball for Basista. Ano gagawin? Of course. Caranto is in front, so why not activate him? Resultay. Problematic first ball. Is really a problem. But that last error will prompt the team of Bayambang to call a timeout. Back to the ball game. Wow, grabe ang pinapakita nitong dalawang koponan here sa ating venue. They really spice things up here. What a serve from Resultay. And that gave Bayambang a hard time. At isa na nga lang ang kalamangan dito. This has been the story of this set. Serve from Resultay is over reception. And that's why takes us to a deadlock. It's been a while. 2020. Oh, now they found a way. Middle. Oh, wow. As simple as that. As simple as that. Para mabawi ng Bayambang ang kalamangan 1 point. 21-20. It's always the first ball na talagang aasahan ng bawat team kasi pag maganda talaga ang first ball, nauuwi sa magagandang but Caranto there couldn't control his nerves. Couldn't control his nerves kaya naman ay babalik sa dalawa ang lamang ng Bayambang. Magalong now serving. And that was out. And we have a sub. Caranto out, Salgado in to serve in this crucial moment. 21-22. Perfect reception. Covered. Chance for Basista to tie things up. Of course, Kit Long will not send it long this time. Another deadlock. Wow. Ngayon, pwede na nating sabihin na liig sa liig lamang itong dalawa. If memory serves, this is the 4th time na nag-deadlock tayo. But let's see. Basista. Kit Long. And that is out. Pero grabe yung cut shot doon ni Kit Long. Yun nga lang ay sobra ng angle. Speaking of sobra, all 23. Lang bumibitaw sa parehong teams. Di Guzman. Good serve. Sa gitna. Nahuli. Kitlong. Wow! What a dig from Bayambang, but couldn't send it over. So what a turn of events here. It's Basista that reaches the set point first. What a turn of events. Back to the ball game. What a turn of events. Una ngang nakarating sa set point itong Basista, kaya nga tignan natin kung paano nila tatapusin. Triple block. Will give them a chance to finish. And yes! Wow! Wala talagang safe na lamang pagdating sa volleyball. Dahil nga, as we love to say it, bilog ang bola. We'll see you again in the second set. Welcome to the second set, and first to serve from Basista, their setter, Resultay. So we see nothing new from the rotations of both teams. Ah, The reaction there of De Guzman is really doing his job guarding the middle. First blood for Basista. Resultay. Good serve. To the right pin. De Guzman covering that. Ah! Can see na nakita natin dito na nakuha nga ng Basista ang composure after winning from the first set. Tabuga deciding to get that. Kitlong chasing it. And Resultay returns it to the sender. Chance for Bayambang. Combination, dropped, blocked. Resultay saving it. Wow, what a save from Resultay. Chance for Bayambang. Oh, wow. The effort of Team Basista there really has to be commended. We have to commend the effort of Bayambang. Oh, but we have to put it on hold. There is something. Okay, we have here something's being contested by the team of Basista. So we have to put it on hold as we figure out. Okay, so we have to resume now. All right. 3-love is the score, and Resultay continues to serve very well. Look at that serve. Middle. Ha! What a block. Oh, this is a chance for Basista. Kitlong setting up. But that was bounded. If we were to describe this match, this is really a match made in heaven. I mean, good match. Ha! The patience for both teams. Drop, Resultay. De Guzman. Oh, the dig. And that is a tough one for Ambat to salvage. Lalamang ulit ng tatlo ang Basista. Number 3 serving. Good serve. Pump top. Middle. Liberos there. To the open. Cut shot. Unsuccessful for Kitlong. He sends that one wide. But I love seeing cut shots, especially when they're successful. We'll see if later magagawa niya ng better execution. Chance for Bayambang. Combination. And that is a roar from Tabuga. A cut shot, actually. Perfectly executed cut shot. That serve is not perfectly executed. De Guzman over reception. A chance for Basista. Took it long, changing mid-air. Unfaced. Unfaced. Yeah, we know Tabuga having no fear whenever blockers attempt to stop him. Middle, picked up, chance. And that ball rolls down the body of the setter, of the blocker. Deadlock. First deadlock of the second set. The captain is now serving. Over reception. Chance ball. And yes, we heard it. It was a check ball for Tabuga. Timeout for Basista. Back to the action. Lamang na ngayon ang Bayambang ng isang puntos. Score 6-5. Make it 6-6 as the captain of Basista, Sabangan, is now on deck. Inside, sabi ni Ambat. Oh, Resultay saving it. Oh, a miscom for Bayambang. Chance for Basista. Get long. Oh, that was out, but our line judge is saying he saw a check. So our line judge is approaching our first ref to talk things over. And the call sticks. Point awarded to Basista. But yes, the team of Bayambang is still contesting this. But the call sticks. So that means we can see Kitlong from here massaging his thumb. His fingers. Mukhang hindi yata maganda ang contact niya sa bolang yon, as you've seen in the way the ball flew. Oh, but Tabuga trying to play 1-2 but wasn't able to execute it properly. Oh, lalamang ng dalawa ang Basista. Sabangan. Received. Oh! Another cut shot. Pinakawalan nitong si K. Tabuga. The elevation of Tabuga is really impressive. He's above the ball in our language. Akatapo. The bola. Oh. Okay, what a save. Libero doing her job. Kitlong. Chance ball for Basista. Sa gitna. Oh, there was no check there. Mamaradlo, on his way down, realized na yung execution niya doon. It was a good intention, however. Basista. Kitlong. Look at that. The risk reaction. Grabe ang clippings nitong si Kitlong. Yun ang maganda eh. Bumabawi sila agad. Pero this time, an error such as that one is malaking sayang, no? Especially you are matching up against a team na kasing strong mo. Anyway, Sabangan deciding to get it. Chance ball. Pitik. Another chance ball for Basista. But the set. A very rare setting error coming from Resulta here will give Bayambang an advantage. 1 point. Error in the service area. Then all. Good serve. Saan tayo? Oh. Nice one. Okay. Rally. And that error will put an end to this rally. Grabe, we have to commend the setter of Bayambang. Grabe, talagang napaikot niya ang bola from that last rally. 1-2. Ngayon, siya naman ang magre-register ng puntos under his name. (11-11). Make a wish. Good serve. To the open. But that is overcooked for Caranto. And there was no check on that. So we can see players from other teams coming in. Next, after Bayambang and Basista, are San Fabian and Santa Barbara. Now, Bayambang is having a mini run here. They lead by 2 points. And we're halfway through this set. 13-11. And after that, a service ace. A service ace from Bayambang. Nagtinginan itong dalawang players ng Basista kung kanino nga yung bolang yon. Now they're sure. Resulta, top set. Oh, the deflection gives Bayambang a hard time to chase that. So, point for Basista. Yun ang kagandahan kung nasa ibabaw ka talaga ng bola. You can do anything. Wow! Great dig. Open. Overcooked. Not his favorite spot. Kaya naman ay balik sa isa ang kalamangan nitong Bayambang. And Resultay continues to serve very well. Libero pancake on time. Oh, give half of that point to Bustarde, the libero of Basista. Sa kanya ang half ng point na yon kasi kung hindi dahil sa pancake na yon properly cooked ay hindi mauuwi sa puntos. Okay, a miscue on the side of Bayambang. Chance for Basista. Another attempt. Mega block for Pascual. Not this time. Not this time. Tipped. A good tip. Sometimes you just have to have a good tip. And we are at all 15 as Agbuya checks in for Kitlong. Good serve. A top set. A chance for Basista. Left hand used. Caranto guarding the long. Wow, what a rally. Ambat. On his favorite spot now. Natural position kasi nitong si Ambat ay sa 4. Usually, lefties, kagaya ko, we love it. Staying sa 4. Over reception. Oh, but the captain covered. Oh, but that ball flew directly towards where I am. So it was a tough one to save anymore already. Kung walang railings, baka natulak kami nun ni Sabangan. Kasi in moments like this, talagang gagawin mo lahat para ma-save ang bola. And I think kaya niyang i-save pa yon. De Guzman! De Guzman nakakuha ng puntos. Yes. The first referee overruling the signal of our line judge. Isa. Ambat. But that was out. At tatawagin nitong si first ref ang near line judge. Yeah, the call sticks. Kaya naman deadlock tayo. 17-17. Parang ganito yung first set. So tignan natin kung paanong storya ang mabubuo sa mga natitirang bahagi nitong set na ito. Chance ball. Kitlong gets a block out. And now it's Bayambang who will use its timeout. Basista. Lamang ng isa. At babawiin yon ng Bayambang from that combination play. Will Bayambang push a third and deciding set? It's one we are anticipating right now. Pero Basista. Libero. Wow. Have a chance ball for Bayambang. Nahuli ni Resultay. Sa abangan. Looking for the back zone. Resultay saving this. Kitlong returning the sender. Chance. Tabuga. Simple as that. As simple as that. Yeah. Kailangan mo lang talagang hanapin ang butas. Hindi lahat ng pagkakataon na you have to hit strong. You just have to drop the ball where no one is watching. What a smart play from Tabuga. Oh, left hand. Oh, and now it seems Tabuga is unstoppable. He is on fire. Welcome to the Tabuga Show. As we reached the 20-point mark, 2018. Kailangan ito ngayon ng Bayambang dahil nga they want to extend this to a third set, but a reaching beyond the net will be called on Basista. Kaya mapapa-time out ang Basista. We're back to the ball game, back in action here. Live na live pa rin po tayo here sa Devon National Sports and Civic Center. And lamang na po ng tatlo ang Bayambang dito sa set number 2. And serving is the captain, jersey number 3. Overly received. And yes, you are enjoying this Tabuga show late in the second set. Wow. Mukhang Tabuga is doing all the job here. He's doing all the work. Another reception error becomes a chance ball for Bayambang. And yes, Laksamana says, I am also a character here. I am in control of the middle. So 23-18. Lamang ang Bayambang. And that is out. Well, I have to say the service of the Kapitan gave Basista a hard time kanina. Kaya those over receptions were converted into a point. So now it's a crucial error. Costly error. 24-19. 5 set points to be enjoyed by Bayambang. Resultai chasing it. Libero, a chance to finish. What are they gonna do? Combination puts an end to this second set. We'll be moving to a third and deciding set. And yeah, yes, like we have expected, we are entering a third and deciding set. And battle at the net. A chance for Bayambang. It's a rally. Ambat! whenever he is there in that spot, on that spot, it's really too dangerous for Basista. They really got to brace themselves because he's going to execute kills. First blood. Reception's there. Oh, of the contact there of Caranto, not perfect. Pascual, they don't like it. Caranto, I mean. Oh, yes. And he finds the donut hole. A convenient spot to drop that ball. That's a volleyball IQ. Yeah, that top spin lands the ball on the donut hole. 3-love. Yeah, sasamantalahin ng Basista itong error na ito. As a breather, as an opportunity to make something for them. 1 serving 3, Resultay serving. Ambat. Oh, that was not Ambat, that was Magalong. It was Magalong because I was always expecting Ambat to be appearing there, but Magalong. Have to apologize. For serving 1. And that is out. Second service error for Bayambang. And the second point of Basista. Now it's number 9, Caranto, serving the ball. Good reception. Ambat, this time, sends it long. Siguro, one of the reasons why these two teams are playing neck on neck ay dahil nga rin sa familiarity. Of course, whenever nagkakaroon ng mga dayo-dayo and plays, tune-ups, sila ang naglalaro. So, it could be the familiarity. I heard the coaches of both teams kanina saying, magkakilala kami nito eh, magkasama kami eh. Pero today, magkalaban muna, magkatunggali. So that could be one of the reasons why this match is neck on neck. Libero playing setter. Kitlong drops. And the delay from the hand of Laksamana confused his teammates. So a good side out for Basista. Deadlock 5. De Guzman. Combination. And Ambat, a very rare penetration under the net error from Ambat. Gives Basista a 1-point lead. De Guzman, but that is out.
Too much nerves.
Could be the nerves. It could be the nerves. It is the nerves. Both teams have to play composed here. Sabangan, it's been a while. Open, Tabuga. This time, Resultay covers that zone. Kitlong blocked and covered. Tabuga up in the air. Ah. Bayambang is looking forward to taking its 5th win in this elimination round, while Basista looking forward to take home its 4th. And Kitlong says, yes, we will do our best. Grabe yung what I really admire about Kitlong is his clipping. Talagang baon na baon ng bola pag siya ang pumapalo. Oh, speaking of baon, Tabuga. Straight to the chest. Nadibdiban itong libero ng Basista, but sportsmanship on full display, and a service ace right after a hammer. Yeah, on full display ang sportsmanship dito sa Devanesha Sports and Civic Center. Perfect reception. Blocked. 1-2. Nandoon ang libero. But si Ambat, he didn't like the set. Medyo mababa yung set na yon para sa kanyang atake from the pipe. It's been his sweet spot, no? It's been his sweet spot, but the set was a bit too low. Chance for Bayambang. One drop. Nahuli. Tough one. Tough one for Caranto to make something out of it. Lalamang ulit ang Bayambang ng 2 points. Number 16. Good serve. Easy serve. Caranto. Battle at the net. But there was a 2. That was a double contact violation called on Mamaradlo. Basista continues to bleed here. 11-8. Easy serve. Straight to the center. Middle. The connection is not in place. So they cannot convert to a point. So mapapatawag ng timeout ang Basista. Back to the action. It seems it's the hands of the libero of Basista that has gone cold after the timeout. Couldn't handle that. So 13-8. And 16 continues to serve. Resulta. The first ref. Yes. Yes, the players of Bayambang admitting the check from that hit coming from Caranto. Nonetheless, Apat pa rin ang hinahabol dito ng Basista. Make it 3. Well, nagawa nila kanina in the first set. Tignan natin kung magagawa nilang muli in this set. Good serve. Tapik. A chance for Basista. Caranto just placed it where it needed to be placed. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan. And 17, Mamaradlo. With that serve, that becomes a chance. A tough one for Caranto. But somebody from the side of Bayambang checked it. So yes, we're halfway through this set. It's supposed to be out, pero na-touch ni Tabuga itong bola. It must be the nerves. It is the nerves. Like we said earlier, walang safe na lamang when it comes to playing volleyball or any sports. Dahil nga, as we love to say it, bilog ang bola. Oh, with one blocker up against him, Magalong can execute an exclamation. But this is not the time now for Basista to, like I was saying, not the time for errors. Tatlo muli. Good serve. Saan? Sa gitna. And De Guzman now activated. It's resultay now is setting, so it's a good news for Basista because he has a full rotation here. Full front, I mean. And, oh, that big. Oh, the deflection. The ball was outside already, so mahirap na rin habulin. 16-13. Number 10 serving. Straight to the setter. And De Guzman doing what is expected of him. Dalawang muli. However, that is a costly error for Caranto, and the frustration in his face is evident. Perfect reception is an opportunity to activate your middle. De Guzman has been doing very well. Left with one blocker. Now he's serving. Good serve. And yes, through the block. Basag na basag ang block doon ng actually nagamit yung kamay ng blocker doon. Slowly reaching the 20-point mark. As we give a chance ball for Bayambang. Ano ang gagawin? And another Tabuga show has just commenced. Wow. Nasa harap na itong si Tabuga and we all know what he can do kapag nasa harap siya. The captain serving. Resulta ay 1-2. Oh, the nerves. Nagmamadali itong si Sabangan. That's why Basista will now use its remaining timeout. We have a substitution from the side of Basista. Salgado checks in for Caranto. Yan natin kung anong difference ang magagawa nitong Salgado. Nitong si Salgado. And the captain continues to serve for Bayambang. Good serve, good reception. 1-2. This is still alive. Sa likod, binato. Chance. Kitlong. Dug up. Another chance for Basista. Of course, Kitlong again. Talagang pinorsyento nitong si Resultay kay Kitlong. Ang mga bolang iyon. It's Sabangan now who is serving this ball. Good serve, good reception. Oh, ang bat couldn't get it through. Makakahinga ng konti ang Basista as the lead is cut down to 3. Captain. My captain. Oh, but that is long. Sa likod ngayon si Tabuga to serve. Received to the open. Kitlong continues to contribute. But now, nasa likod na itong si Kitlong. So that means nasa harap si Caranto. Good serve. Magkalong. That is a very powerful hit. Yeah, Magalong is always a nice option, a good option for Bayambang. What a strong team this is. Caranto. Finally, it's been a while. Kanina pa nahihirapan na pumuntos itong si Caranto because of the sets na nahihirapan siyang adjustan and also pinapahirapan din siya ng Bayambang. Huli. Libero setting. Maggalong. Out. And check. Now, Bayambang is 2 points away from taking this match. Caranto. Ambat. Deflected. Oh, what a set. What a set. What a set. It, let's call it the set of the century. Oh, everyone na malapit sa akin is saying, grabe, ang set na yon. Oh, this is far from over for Basista. 21-23. 2 points na lang ang hahabulin ng Basista and magta-timeout ang Bayambang.
That set from municipalities is still one of the highlights of the game.
Oh, and that now Bayambang has arrived at their match point. 3 match points. 21-24.
Everyone is holding their breath.
Yeah, everyone from the side of Basista is holding their breath. But a chance to finish is not yet.
That's it done.
That is not yet over for Basista. We've seen a lot of matches na katulad nito. So, good serve. For the finish! Where do you go? Who are you gonna call? Ambat. That means Bayambang is taking this match in an epic comeback. A come from behind.
pong pangalan niyo, kuya? Masantos, Yago, Pangasinan, especially here sa ating central part ng ating lalawigan. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa San Fabian de Venecia Sports Civic Center. At natapos na rin ang second game sa ating men's division. It was between sa bayan ng Bayambang at bayan ng Basista. It was between two powerhouse teams sa ating central part ng Pangasinan. At we had 3 sets. During first set, nanalo ang Basista at tuluyan ngang nagwagi ang bayan ng Bayambang sa pangalawa at panghuling set. At kasama ko ngayon si Kobe at ang kanilang coach. Kobe, congratulations, nanalo ka bilang player of the game. Sa inyong laro, saan kayo pinaka nahirapan?
First of all, nahirapan kami sa serve. Yun nga yung lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila na sa service, pinaka-importante talaga ang service kasi pinaka-basic yan. Tapos yung pangalawa is yung sa receive, yung pasa namin. Nahirapan kami doon kasi yun nga, sabi ko lagi sa mga kasama ko, kung ano yung natutunan ko sa international, ituturo ko lang sa inyo. Tapos i-execute nyo lang sa game. Ayun lang.
Ayun, Kobe, may gusto ka bang pasalamatan ng supporters mo sa ating live or here na nanonood sa ating video?
I would like to greet our Mayora Nino Sekiambao and to our Vice Mayor IC Sabangan and to my family na nanonood ngayon at Abuga family and Bacalso family and kay Kuya Anthony Espolong sa Australia.
Ayun, congratulations sa'yo, Kobe. And to you, Coach. Coach, may tanong po ako, may gusto ka bang baguhin na strategy sa kanilang laro for today na gusto mong i-apply sa kanilang susunod na laro?
Kumbaga yung the talent is there already eh. Paano mo siya pagsasama-samahin? Nagpa-practice naman sila, paano siya ma-execute kagaya ni Kobe nung sinabi niya kanina. Pero yun nga, yung mental toughness ng mga bata. Ulitin ko ulit, yung talent andun na siya. Pero galing kami sa masakit na pagkatalo, 3 beses sunod-sunod. Paano kami babangon? So siguro ito, wake up call yung 3 pagkatalo na yun. Pero it's a matter of, weeks, days, kung pass by. Hanggang makumpleto lahat ng mga players namin. Dumating na si Kobe. Sabi nga nila, pero sabi kong lagi yung sinasabi sa mga players natin, wag nyo asahan kung sino yung wala. Maglaro tayo kung sino yung meron. May talent naman tayo kumbaga eh. Paano lang talaga natin ilalaro yun magkakasama?
Coach, tama nga naman yung sinabi mo. Ginawa niyong motivation yung pagkatalo ng Bayambang ng 3 times. And also, Coach, may gusto ka bang i-shout out for today's live?
Gusto kong batiin ulit yung aming sibag na mga opisyal ng aming bayan ng Butihing Bayambang. Shoutout kay Mayora Nino Sekiambao, kay Vice Mayor IC Sabangan, sa lahat po na bumubuo ng SB, kay Boss Satom, kay Cesar Cambao, kay Board Member Raul Sabangan. And shoutout po sa lahat po ng mga teachers po ng Bayambang National High School, especially po sa MAPI Department. My wife, Glorian, si Zach, mag-aaral ka mabuti.
And we can see na napakaraming supporters ng bayan ng Bayambang. Congratulations po ulit sa inyo at sana magtuloy-tuloy ang pagkapanalo ng bayan ng Bayambang. And also, huwag kayong aalis dahil susunod na ang laban between Santa Barbara at San Fabian. Huwag kayong aalis. This is Jelserine Ravago, your courtside reporter, Pangasinan ng Galing. Thank you so much po.